Hi there. In this video on how to use the GuardOn app, we'll show you how to respond to alerts. When someone requests for help, you'll get a notification. Tap the notification to open the distress alerts screen. You can also open it from the bottom navigation bar, and from the main menu as well. Now tap the active alert that you want to respond to. You'll be provided comprehensive information regarding the alert, including how far the person in distress is from you, when the alert was raised, any image, audio, or video recording from the incident, and available fellow responders. If you decide to help in the described situation, tap Yes to acknowledge. You can find out where the person in distress is and get directions by tapping the Google Maps button. You may also chat with that person along with fellow responders simultaneously. GuardOn works best for everyone with an active community, so make sure you become a GuardOn angel and help people around you that are in distress. Thank you.